If you want to install iOS launcher, basically iPhone theme on your Redmi 14C, then you will have to start by opening Google Play Store. Now click on search and input this phrase, iOS launcher. There we go. And we have to go for one of the following application. In my case, I'm using this one with iOS 18. So I can also recommend you this one, and you will have to simply open it. Now just wait for the loading screen and accept all of these permissions. Now, when we are here, we can find actually a lot of different options to customize. As you can see, we can change like wallpapers, animations, blur effect. There's like a lot of stuff. But we are interested to click on the Make Default Launcher. Now you will get pop-up ads, so we can quickly mute this by clicking on the speaker icon and close by clicking here. Then click OK. And now switch from the System Launcher into the Launcher iOS 18. And when you are here, switch to select the Home application. So for sure we want to get the Launcher iOS 18. And now click OK. If it actually disappeared, then it can also repeat. And as you can see, it actually starts changing, and that's how it actually looks. When you go into the left side, you can also find the widgets, and when you go into the right side, you can find this app library. But when you go here, you can also find some other options, like you will get this, old bar, but you can still download another application to get the control center, to get the same look of the lock screen, and you can also customize all of the settings. But this is like, quick information how you can get this kind of the feature on your Redmi 14. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.